you guys make Superman pops? Are there more kinds? Is it just this one? Just kidding, everybody. 80 years, a specialty series, and this is a pretty sweet Superman because he's flying at you. I like this one. This is one of my favorites. And I'm doing my own unboxing video. My son would be very excited. Wow, there he is. Oh, and a stand, because he's flying. That's pretty cool. Checks all the boxes. This is cool, and I love that people can have fun reminders of Superman. And these things all remind us back to the fun and energy of, like, you know, watching the thing the first time and interacting. And it's cool to have it around. Thanks, guys, for making this stuff.